Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to auto-share blog or post on WhatsApp. So here what I want is that I automatically want to share my blogs that I'm going to create on my Google Blogger account with my audience that I have in my Google Sheet, and these are my audience that have subscribed for my blogs. Now I want to share my blogs on WhatsApp with my audience by using WhatsApp Cloud API. So here what I need to do is I need to build a connection between Google Blogger, Google Sheets and WhatsApp Cloud API. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, as I'm going to add a new blog posted on my Google Blogger account, that automatically I'm going to first get my audience detail from my Google Sheet, and after getting the audience details, I can share my blog on WhatsApp with my audience by using WhatsApp Cloud API. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can auto-share blogger post on WhatsApp. So in today's fast-paced digital world, content creators and bloggers are always looking for ways to expand their reach and engage with their audience. So imagine I run a blog where I regularly post valuable content and I want to ensure my readers never miss out any of the latest article. But however, manually sharing each new blog post on platforms like WhatsApp can be time consuming, especially if I have a large audience. So automating the process of sharing my blogger post on WhatsApp can save my time and ensure that my content reaches my audience instantly, or whether I'm a solo blogger, a business promoting my content, or managing a community that relies on timely updates, this integration will allow me to keep my readers informed without lifting a finger. So in this video, we will show you how to set up an automated workflow using Pabbly Connect to automatically share your blogger posts on WhatsApp. Now by setting up this automation, you can focus on creating great content while your updates get delivered directly to your audience. So here what we are going to do is we are going to automatically share our blogger post on WhatsApp, and for sharing the blogger post on WhatsApp, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API. So WhatsApp Cloud API is an official API platform of WhatsApp by Meta, and we are going to use WhatsApp Cloud API for sending messages to all our audiences that we have the data in our Google Sheet, and in my Google Sheet we are going to manage the detail of all the subscribers who have subscribed for my blogs and who regularly reads out my blogs. So here I'm going to build this connection between Google Blogger, Google Sheet and WhatsApp Cloud API, and now as I'm going to post a new blog on my Google Blogger account, then automatically I'm going to get all the detail of my audience from my Google Sheet, and as I'm going to get audience details, then automatically I will share my new blog post on WhatsApp with my audience. So here for building this connection, I need to use Pabbly Connect, and for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab, and here I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser, and this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in this page, we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time, and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to auto-share blogger post on WhatsApp. And now I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I will find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account, and I'm going to use this particular folder of blogging automations. So I'm going to select this, and I need to click on Create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here in this window, we have two boxes of trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So in our workflow, we can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here first I need to set up my trigger, and here for setting up my trigger, I need to first search for my trigger application, and here my trigger application is going to be Google Blogger. So I'm going to search for that, and I need to select Google Blogger here. Now I need to give my trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab, and new post added will be my trigger event, so I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Google Blogger with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, so I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection, and I need to sign in with Google. Now I need to click on continue to give access to my account, so I'm going to click here. And I have successfully connected Google Blogger with Pabbly Connect. Now here I have these two tabs of blog and status. So what I need to do is I need to first select my blog ID, and for the blog ID I need to take you to my Google Blogger account. And here in Google Blogger I'm going to use this blog ID of my blog, and in this blog ID I'm going to create my new blog. So I'm going to select my blog here. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and now I'm going to open this tab of blog, and here I'm going to select my blog ID of my blog. Now here I need to select my status, and I'm going to open this tab, and I'm going to select the status of only live. And now what is going to happen is that as I'm going to create a new blog which has the status of live in my blog ID, then only I will receive the detail of that post in Pabbly Connect. Now first I need to take you to Google Blogger, and here in Google Blogger I'm going to create a new post, so I'm going to click on new post, and here I have to fill all these details. So first I need to give a title to my blog, and here the title of my blog will be 5 simple tips to boost your productivity every day. And now I need to type my blog, and I need to give the body of my blog. So I'm going to type that, and here this is going to be my blog, and here this is my blog body. So here I'm going to use all these details, and I'm going to create a new blog, and in this is my blog title, that is 5 simple tips to boost your productivity every day. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to publish this blog. So I'm going to click on publish, and I'm going to click on confirm. And here I've successfully published this blog, and the title of my blog is 5 simple tips to boost your productivity every day. Now I need to take you back to Pabbly Connect, and here in Pabbly Connect I'm going to click on save and send test request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So in this response I have the title of my blog, that is 5 simple tips to boost your productivity every day. Also here I have my blog URL. So this is my blog link, and also in this I have received my content. So this is the content of my blog, and this is my blog body. And I have received all these other details like my blog ID, I have my author URL, author ID, author display name, and all these other details of my blog. So here we can see I have successfully received this detail of my blog that I posted on my Google Blogger account. And if you don't receive this response instantly, then you don't have to worry, because this is a polling based response, and within the 8 hours you are going to receive this response from Google Blogger. So this 8 hours are the polling time of Google Blogger, and if you want to reduce this polling time, then what you need to do is you just need to contact support team of Pabbly Connect, and you can reduce your polling time of Google Blogger. Now with this polling time, what is going to happen is that in every 8 hours it is going to start capturing the new responses, and if we are going to create new posts or new blogs on Google Blogger, then automatically within that 8 hours it is going to send the response of that blog to Pabbly Connect. So here I have received this response of my blog, and now what I need to do is I need to use all these details of my blog, and I need to share this blog with my audience or my subscribers who have subscribed for my blogs. So first what I need to do is I need to get all the detail of my subscribers, and for that I need to set up my actions tab. So I need to open this tab, and here my action application is going to be Google Sheets. So I'm going to search for that, and I need to select Google Sheets here, and I need to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and get rows will be my action event here. So I'm going to select this, and I need to connect Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection, and I need to click on sign in with Google. Now I need to click on allow to give access to my account. And here I have successfully connected Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Now here for getting the data of my rows, what I need to do is I need to first select my spreadsheet. So for my spreadsheet I need to open this tab, and here I will find all the spreadsheets that I have in my Google Sheet account, and I'm going to use this particular spreadsheet of subscribers data. So I'm going to select this, and now what I need to do is I need to give my range. So for the range I need to take you to my Google Sheet account. Now here in Google Sheet what I need to do is I need to give the range of the rows that I want to use for getting the detail. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this range that I want to get my rows detail from A2 to my column B. So here in my Google Sheet, I can also add the new subscribers data and I can keep adding them in this particular Google Sheet. So I don't want to specify this to any particular row. So I just want to give my range from A2, which is my starting point, and I can give my last data entry column, that is column B, and I can get all the rows data. So here my range is going to be A2 colon B. So I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect, and here I'm going to type my range, that is going to be A2, which is my starting point, and I'm going to give a colon, and I'm going to type my last data entry column, that is column B. So this is going to be my range, and now with this range I can get all the rows detail that is going to get filled in my Google Sheet. Now here what I want is that I don't want this response in a simple response way. I want this in an array format so that I can use that data in my further steps. So first I need to toggle off this simple response button. And now for getting the response in array format, I need to click on Save and Send Test Together button. And here we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have all the detail of my subscribers and all the detail of my audience. And I have received this detail in my array format. Now what I need to do is I need to retrieve the data from this array, and I want that as I'm going to retrieve the data from this array, then automatically I can share my blog with my audience on WhatsApp by using WhatsApp Cloud API. So for retrieving the data from my array, what I need to do is I need to use Iterator by Pabbly. So I'm going to add one more action step, and I'm going to select Iterator by Pabbly here. Now I'm going to give my action event, so I'm going to open this tab. And process arrays will be my action event, so I'm going to select this. And I need to connect Iterator by Pabbly with Pabbly Connect, so I'm going to click on Connect. And now I need to select my array. So in my previous response of Google Sheet, I only have one array, so I'm going to select that. And now here I have this important note that says the response includes the first expanded data set as values, which can be mapped in further steps, and at the time of workflow execution, it will process all values one by one. So here what is going to happen is that when I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Together button, then in the response it is going to give the first expanded data from my array, and I can use that data to map in my further step, and I can set up this workflow, and at the time of the execution of this workflow, automatically it is going to process all the values one by one, and I can share my blogger post on WhatsApp one by one with each one of my audience. Now I need to click on Save and Send Test Together button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is the response of my first data set, and in this I have my contact name, that is demo user, I have my contact number, and this is also my WhatsApp number of my audience. So here what I need to do is I need to use all these details, and now I need to share my blogger post on WhatsApp with my audience. So for that I need to add my last action step, and here my action application is going to be WhatsApp Cloud API. So I'm going to search for that, and I'm going to select WhatsApp Cloud API. Now I need to give my action event, so I'm going to open this tab, and send template message will be my action event, so I'm going to select this, and I'm going to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on Connect. I will click on Add New Connection, and for connecting WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect, I need to give my token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. So how I'm going to get all these details and how I can set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account? For that, you just need to click on this hyperlink by clicking on Learn More, and this will take us to Pabbly forum, and in this forum we will see all the details that how we can set up WhatsApp Cloud API account, how we can generate the permanent access token, and how we can get all the details that are required to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. So you can find all the instruction and all the steps that you can do for connecting and setting up your WhatsApp Cloud API account. So I have already set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account, so I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect, and here I need my token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. So for getting these details, I need to take you to WhatsApp Cloud API, and here this is my WhatsApp Cloud API account, and in this I have my access token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to first refresh this access token, and I have refreshed this because this is a temporary access token, and you can generate your permanent access token by checking out the forum. Now what I need to do is I need to copy all these required details, and I'm going to paste them in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to do the same, and here in Pabbly Connect I have added all the required details. Now I'm going to click on Save, and here I have successfully connected WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. Now what I need to do is I need to first give my template name, and now by using this template I can send the message on WhatsApp and I can share my Google Blogger blog. So for selecting the template and for creating a new template, I need to take you to my WhatsApp Cloud API account. And here in WhatsApp Cloud API, I need to click on this hyperlink by clicking here. And this will take us to WhatsApp Manager. And in WhatsApp Manager, we will see all the massive templates that we have created in WhatsApp Cloud API. And if you haven't created any template, then what you need to do is you need to just click on this Create Template button. And after clicking that button, you need to follow all the instructions and you need to customize the message that you want to send on WhatsApp to all your audience. And after customizing the message in your template, you need to take the approval of your template from Meta. So as you're going to get the approval for your template by Meta, you are going to see your template here in this window. And here I've created this blog message template and I've taken the approval. So I'm going to show you this template. And here this is going to be my template, and in this template I have this message that I'm going to use for sharing my blog post on WhatsApp to all my audience. Also in this message I have these three variables, which is of the name, post title and the post link. Now by using all the response of my Google Blogger, I'm going to replace these variables and I'm going to add the detail of my Google blog in place of these variables. Now I need to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And now first I need to select my template. So I'm going to open this tab, and here in this tab I will find all the templates that I have in my WhatsApp Cloud API account, and I'm going to use this particular template of blog message. So I'm going to select this, and here my language code and template ID is default selected. Now what I need to do is I need to give my recipient mobile number, and here in my recipient mobile number I'm going to use the mobile number or the contact number of my audience that I'm going to receive from my Google Sheet response and from my response of Iterator by Pabbly. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that response and I'm going to map that here in this tab, and for that I need to use mapping. So what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I need to click here. I will open this response of Iterator by Pabbly, and here this is the mobile number or the contact number of my audience. So I'm going to map this. Now I have body field 1, body field 2 and body field 3. So here I need to map the name of my subscriber or my audience, and I have to map the post title and the post link. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Iterator, and here this is the name of my audience or my subscribers. So I'm going to map this. Now I'm going to give the post title. So I need to click here. I will open this response of Google Blogger, and here this is the title of my blog. So I'm going to map this. And now I'm going to give my post link or my blog link. So I'm going to click here. I will again open this response of Google Blogger, and here this is the URL or the link of my blog. So I'm going to map this. And here I have mapped all the required details. Now as I have mapped these details, I have made these details dynamic. So what is going to happen is that as I'm going to receive a new response from my Google Blogger account of the new post or the new blog, and I'm going to receive the new detail of my audience, then automatically all these details that I have mapped here are going to get replaced with the new detail in the real time. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test to Quiz button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have shared my blog automatically with my audience on WhatsApp. Now to check this, let me open WhatsApp. And here on WhatsApp we can see I have received this message. So I'm going to open this. And here this is my message that says, "Hi demo user." So this was the name of my audience. We hope you are having a great day. We have some exciting new content on our blog that we think you will love. Check out our latest post. So the title of my post is 5 simple tips to boost your productivity every day. And here this is the link of my blog. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Feel free to leave a comment or share it with your friends. Best regards, Team Pabbly. So here we can see that this was my template message, and by using this template message, I have shared my blog that I've just created on my Google Blogger account. So here we can see that automatically by using this automation, I can share my blogger post on WhatsApp with my subscribers or audience that I have the data in my Google Sheet. Now here I can also open this link to check out my blog. So I'm going to click here, and here we can see this was my blog that I've created in Google Blogger. Now here we can see that by opening that link that I have shared on WhatsApp, my audience can directly check my blog. Now I'm going to go back to WhatsApp, and here we can see I have successfully created this automation between Google Blogger, Google Sheet and WhatsApp Cloud API. And now as I'm going to create a new blogger post on Google Blogger, then automatically it will first get all the detail of my subscriber from my Google Sheet, and then it will automatically share my Google Blogger on WhatsApp with all my audience. Now I need to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, I have used Iterator by Pabbly, and here I have set up this workflow. Now at the time of the workflow execution, automatically it will share this blogger post on WhatsApp with each one of my audience that I have the data in my Google Sheet one by one. Now here I have successfully created this automation and this connection between Google Blogger, Google Sheets and WhatsApp Cloud API by using Pabbly Connect. So here I have created this connection to automatically share blogger posts on WhatsApp. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Google Blogger, and my trigger event was new post added. Then I have set up my action step, and my action application was Google Sheets, and my action event was get rows. Then I have set up one more action step, and here I have used Iterator by Pabbly to process the arrays to get all the detail of my audience from Google Sheets. And in the last I have used WhatsApp Cloud API for sending the template message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.